Hello everyone, my name is Buki Akimbile and you are welcome into another tutorial. And in today's tutorial, we'll be making a gathered skirt and I'll be working with this African print. And I also want to inform us that we have an online classes for both the beginners and the intermediate class. If you are interested in any of these classes, kindly send a WhatsApp message to us on the number that will be displayed on the screen. And we also have the one-on-one online classes that will be coming live twice every week and it's for a duration of 3 months. So if you are interested in any of these classes, kindly send a WhatsApp message to us on the numbers that will be displayed on the screen. Thank you so much and God bless you. So let's continue. The total amount of fabric I'll be working with is 4 yards. For you to make a gathered skirt, you need two major measurements, your waist measurement and the length of your skirt. So if you are making a long skirt, you take note of your measurement, and if you are making a short skirt, you measure the length out. But in this tutorial, I'll be making a long skirt. And the length of my skirt is 45 inches. An African print is by 45 inches. So I'll be using 1.5 inch to fold it in. So that 1.5 inch will now be using as my waistband. I hope you understand. The total length of my skirt is 45 inches. African print is by 45 inches. And don't forget, we need to fold our fabric at the hem by 1 inch. Then we'll be needing half inch at the upper part to attach our skirt to the waistband. So that 1.5 inch that I'm taking out now is going to be my waistband. I hope you understand. My waist measurement is 40 inches. So I'll be multiplying my waist by 3, which is going to give us 120 inches. But should in case you are not having enough fabric, you can as well multiply yours by 2.5, but it's not going to be as full as the one that is multiplied by 3. And even if you want to make a maxi gather, you can go ahead and multiply your waist measurement by 4. The fuller the flare, the fuller the gathers, the more the fabric you will be using. So I'll be opening up the fabric now. Then I will take it to my sewing machine and run a loose stitch from one end to the other, leaving 1 inch on both sides for my sewing allowance. So once I'm done running the gather stitch, I'll be back to show us the next step further. So I have run the loose stitch from one end to the other. For you to be able to gather your fabric easily, you pull the other side forward. You understand? That's what I'm bringing forward. So the two are on the same side. Are you getting it now? So the other one, which is the last thread on the side, then you begin to pull it. You can see how it is. But if you didn't pull that other one to the front, it will be a little challenging. But because we have pulled the two to the same side now, it now makes it easy for you to get. You can see the way it's fast. So it will now make it easier for you to be able to gather your fabric easily. So I've gathered the fabric to my waist measurement. Then to secure the gathers, I'll be tying the knot on one end so that it's not shifting from its original position. So I've already tied the other side, but I just thought to show us the second side. So once I'm done tightening it in, I'll be cutting off the thread. So with this now, it's secured on both ends. So and I will now set aside our skirt so that we can go ahead and cut the waistband. So I've already cut out my fabric for the waistband. Then I'll be attaching interfacing for stability. So this is it. So I'll go ahead and iron it in place. Then I'll be folding it up. So once I'm done folding, then I'll be setting it aside so that we can proceed with our main skirt. So I'm done with the waistband. You can see I've attached the interface, then I fold it in by ½ inch on both sides. And I've also secured the two ends. So I'll be putting it aside. So I've turned the skirt to the wrong side. Then I'll be placing the two sides together. Then measure the length of my zip. So from that point, I'll mark it out. I'll mark it out. Then from this point, I will stitch it down to the end by 1 inch. So once I'm done stitching, Then I'll be attaching my zipper. So I am done attaching the zip, you can see. So I'll go ahead now and fix the waistband to our skirt. So once I'm done fixing the waistband, I will also fold in the raw edges of the skirt. Then I'll be showing us the final look. So I am done attaching the waistband. You can see the zipper area. So I will be attaching hook and eye to the waistband. And I've also gone ahead to sew in the raw edges of the hem. And you can see how clean and neat it is. So I'll be displaying the final look on the mannequin for you to see. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye for now.